If there is one city in Southeast Asia that captures the heart of the continent, it's Kuala Lumpur. The capital of Malaysia is a blend of cultures, a culinary paradise, and a bustling city among serene oases. KL was one of the most surprising destinations we've been to in our 4 years of full-time travel. This is such an underrated city with so much to see and do. So if you're planning a visit, these are the 5 places that have to be on your list. Number 1 are the Batu Caves, one of the most visited attractions in the country. This complex is an immersive experience in and of itself, consisting of a series of limestone caves, Hindu temples, a 140-feet statue, and of course the colorful steps that lead you into the caves. Those multicolored stairs aren't just Instagram worthy. The 272 vibrant steps are a part of a Hindu pilgrimage ritual as they approach the temple in the cave. So it's important to know that women must cover their shoulders and knees in order to climb or go into the caves, and also watch out for the many pesky monkeys so that they don't grab any of your personal items. Batu Caves is a bit of a chaotic place, but definitely an amazing experience that we highly recommend. Number 2, we have Malay and other ethnic restaurants. Kuala Lumpur's multicultural mosaic is deliciously evident in its incredible selection of ethnic restaurants. They go way beyond KL's blend of Malay, Chinese, and Indian heavy influence. You can find all kinds of ethnic cuisine in the city, including Middle Eastern, Thai, Indonesian, Korean, Western, and much more. So, going to KL is a great way to try foods from around the world without actually having to travel there. 2 of our favorite restaurants we went to during our trip were actually Iraqi and Uzbeki. But if you want to fully experience the best of Malay cuisine, then you must head to Jalan Alor. As the night comes in, this avenue awakens into a culinary haven. From delicious satays to creamy durian, the flavors here embody Malaysia's spirit. Oh, and don't forget to try the national dish, nasi lemak. Number 3 is none other than the iconic Petronas Towers. This architectural marvel not only dominates Kuala Lumpur's skyline, but it's a beautiful and imposing monument from all angles. Capture a one-of-a-kind photo at the bottom of these twin towers, and also be sure to climb it to the top for about $20 to enjoy stunning panoramic views of the city. Speaking of views, something that cannot be missing from your trip is a rooftop swimming pool experience. Imagine swimming atop the world with Kuala Lumpur's breathtaking skyline views in front of you. It's not every city that offers such a luxurious experience for super affordable prices. Your own hotel or Airbnb might already have it, but even if it doesn't, don't worry, you can easily buy a day pass to one of the many rooftop pools all across the city. If you're looking for best views, check out these 3 hotels that offer this day pass. Whether you're taking a sunset swim or just lounging for the day, these pools redefine urban relaxation. Speaking of serene places, this last item might be an unexpected one. The Wilayah Mosque is not only an architectural gem, but also a symbol of Malaysia's harmonious blend of cultures and faiths. KL is one of the cities we've been to with the most friendly multi-religious population. The Wilayah Mosque offers free tours of its stunning complex, which includes architectural elements inspired by many iconic buildings throughout the world. You can not only learn more about their history, but also take beautiful photos during your tour as well. Kuala Lumpur is a treasure waiting to be explored. If you've been bitten by the travel bug like we did, KL should definitely be on your bucket list. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our entire KL vlog, where we record our first impressions of the city and give you even more insider details of places mentioned in this video and more. Also, subscribe to discover more incredible destinations around the world with us. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you at our next adventure. Until then, bye!